Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into the contract miner. We're going to be checking out how our account is progressing through the big carnival event and also how the developer has made it even easier for you to win those rewards. So keep watching.
Hey guys, so there is only just over 1 month left of the Brazilian Carnival event, but that is still plenty of time to earn yourself some top rewards. So you don't miss out, why not sign up for a free account now? Link is in the description. Also remember, if you have any comments or questions, post them below the video, and why not check out RJ's channel for more opportunities to earn cryptocurrency for free, cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto-related stuff. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're alerted to all of his new content as it comes online. Thanks for watching.
Okay, and here we are, as you can see, in the contract miner account, and a big shout out to Jessie for that intro. You know, she's actually starting to write her own scripts and they seem to be a lot better than mine. Anyway, so like I said, and like Jessie said, there is only a short time left, or about a month left, of the Brazilian Carnival, which, if you are new to contract miner, it's still plenty enough time to get into doing the event and earn yourself some really good rewards, especially now because the developer has actually made it even easier for you to get, well, basically progress through that event, which we'll get to in a second. So it's been 1 month since the last time we were in here. And since then, not a whole lot has happened to my account, but you can just see right here that I'm very nearly at the point of getting to level 50. I think we were in the last video, it's sort of halfway through or part way through level 49. And the other thing in the last video is I did say that something that I found a little bit annoying, or a bit of a bit niggly, it sort of niggled at me, was up here was the only place you could see your level. And when you come into your account, I mean, I could barely read that, but because of what I mentioned, the developer has now added this scrolling bar, and it clearly shows there level 49, and obviously my progress bar through that level as well, which is absolutely brilliant. Obviously the developer doesn't always take on every suggestion that myself or anybody else has, but if he feels that it's a good suggestion, he will add it to the site, which I always commend him for, because, you know, that's how I think a lot of sites do progress, is by listening to the members. And but obviously, you know, you can always listen a bit too much and take it a bit too far as well. But like I say, that addition is perfect. I love it. You know, I can see my level immediately. Also as well, if we drop into the carnival event, we can see basically where we're at now. So 1 month ago, we had literally just got onto the second page, and we are now there. So basically we're pretty much about halfway down the second page. This is our next target, which is 5,850 points. You can see at the top there, we're at 5,819. So I'm definitely going to get that today. And obviously, I will continue throughout the day and, you know, basically get as close to the next one as possible. So anyway, how has the developer made things easier for us in the event? Well, firstly, he has added a daily AP reward. So obviously we know that these points up here that we're earning, and what is shown here, is activity points. So basically our activity on the site, whatever we're doing, whether it's we're doing the RP games, whether we're doing the RP PTC ads, whether we're doing surveys or the PTC ads, they earn us AP points or activity points, because it's our activity which helps us progress through this event. So he has put a daily AP bonus of 15 AP on there, but also I only noticed this last night, which is why I'm making a video today, is that he has also now added the event tasks. So the first event is complete 50 basically PTC ads and clicks, and basically once you have earned a certain amount, which on here, this one, the next one is PTC ad clicks. So I've got 58 currently. Once I get to 125, that's going to earn me 120 AP points. Scroll down here, you need 250. That's going to give you 250 AP points. Reward points, so play any RP games. The RP games are up here, which repeat all day. They basically come around, there's a timer on them, so you can constantly play them throughout the day. Once I hit 75, I'm going to get 75 AP points there, and then 165, I'll get 140 AP points, and then 350, and I'm going to get 220 AP points. So you know, through doing those tasks and obviously completing the other tasks that you are getting on the day, through your day, you're going to earn all those AP points from doing those tasks, but you're also going to be rewarded again for doing those tasks through the event tasks. Also as well, this popped up the other day, you are now basically going to get double AP points for games, offer walls, and PTC ads. So obviously you're getting double AP there, you're getting a daily AP there, and then you're getting all these free APs from completing those tasks. So, you know, like I say, even though there is only 33 days, 1 hour, 7 minutes, and a few seconds left, that is still going to give you plenty enough time with all these bonuses and boosts to your AP to get some really good rewards. Now, obviously, like I say, I mean, basically through this, it was predominantly sort of reward points, mining boosts, and power units. The second one, we got the same, but we did get on the first one here, you'll also get a rack, a two miner rack. I've basically got the 14,000 mega hash Quantum Forge miner, and then like I say here again, it's predominantly boosts, RP points and power units. But then on page 4, you're going to get another miner. That's going to be worth 19,700 mega hashes, and a requirement of 9,000 points to get that. Then you're going to get a 4-rack miner at 11,250 points. Another, so that's a 4-rack, not miner, 4-rack miner rack. And then you're going to get an AVA9, which is 10,570 mega hashes at 13,500 points on page 6. And then at page 7, you're going to be getting, page 7, you're going to be getting the Neo Circuit OC, so overclocked miner. That's going to give you 26,500 mega hashes at 15,750 points. Like I say, you know, I'm only here basically because, you know, just like everything else, unfortunately, you know, I've got I'm doing so many different programs. As you guys know, I'm making content, I'm doing so many other things. I don't always get to spend as much time in these programs as possible. So there are probably many of you that are ahead of me. But I say with obviously these double AP points, the AP bonuses and all that kind of stuff, Pete, you guys should be able to get, even if you started now, I definitely think you should be able to get through a lot of this. Even if you only got halfway through and you didn't invest, you're still getting all of these bonuses, all of these reward points, XP points. You're getting power units for your miners. Like I say, even if you don't invest, because you don't need to invest. Obviously, if you want to buy the premium pass, you can do, and then that's going to give you even more of a boost to your AP, but you don't need to. You can do it completely free. You can earn these rewards, you can boost your account, and you can earn free crypto through this site. And as I mentioned earlier, the developer of this site is so good. They are constantly coming up with new things, adding updates to the site to make a better member experience for you guys. And now the addition of these events, because obviously we had the Christmas event, which was only a month long, this event, which was 3 months long, and obviously if these events keep going well, the developer is just going to keep doing more and more events. But also as well, on top of that, he's also going to be adding other things, whether it be slight tweaks to the site or whatever, other things that will basically make your experience on this site much better. And he's always trying to push this site forward, which I totally commend him for. And yeah, and like I say, you've got 30 odd days. So, if you're not already a member, jump into the description, click on the link, get yourself a free account and start playing in this event. Obviously, these are the RP games. You basically just click on these and do a simple thing like that. So do a simple capture, and then obviously you can do the same. This one, the coin flip's slightly different. You just pick heads or tails. I always pick heads. I mean, you're going to lose at some point. You're always going to lose now and again, but I just always pick heads. I don't try and guess that it's going to be any different. So there you go. And then that's it. And then again, you've got, you can go back in here. You've got a timer on this. Once these timers run down, you can then do them again. It's dead simple. I think I've done all my PTC ads, so until later this evening, which is a 24-hour turnaround, there will be no ads there, but later on, all those ads will come back, and then I'll be able to do them and earn myself some more points. Okay, so short and sweet. That is basically all I wanted to bring to you. I hope you found that informative. If you are interested in that tutorial that's going to give you more information about the program, it's probably on your site, on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.